Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to find a new friend on Instagram, like the people who are staying nearby you. So with the help of Instagram map, so Instagram has added a map feature in the application itself. So I will show you in my mobile screen how can you find a people who are staying nearby you in Instagram application itself. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So this is my Instagram page. If you like, you can follow me over here. So go to home and click on search icon. So here you need to search for a place. For example, I stay in eco space. I work here. So I will search for a eco space and I will go to a place section here. So here you can see the first one, the second one, this both are similar. The first few are similar. So I will click on this one. So here you can see the list of people who have posted in this location, and also here you can see the recent post. So people who have posted recently in this location, and you need to scroll this down and you can see more places nearby eco space. That here you can see it is Narayan School, NTSC Cafe, Money, TCS, Baking, Eden Court. So there will be n number of. So here itself you will find Eco Hub, TCS. If you will zoom it, you will find it more place. Eco Vista, Eco Hub, the Sports Lunch. Okay, so there are so many places. For example, if I will click on any one of this, for example, okay, Sunset, this location. So here you can see in this location the people who have posted, and you can find the friend whichever you want to talk. So I hope you will find this video useful, and even you can, if you know the particular place, you can also type it here. Just type this place here and you can find that place in the Instagram application itself. So I hope you will find this video interesting. Thanks for watching.